Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with the final update to my V Visitors Laser Jeep. Finally got this one all wrapped up, and taking a look at how this turned out. I think the engine was finished, or very nearly so, on the last update, but just take another look under the hood there at what got done. But the two big things that were updated since last time are here, where I've got some 84 style seats, and what I did for these is I remade one of the stock seats that came in the kit to the 84 style pattern, and then made a couple of resin copies, and that's what you're looking at here. And the center console is a 3D printed part that I drew up and then sent to Shapeways to have printed. So overall, that turned out pretty decent. There's a few little pinholes, but not too bad. And I do like having the more updated interior to match the rest of the Jeep. And then the other big thing is the laser cannon here. And that actually does swivel. I couldn't make it so that it would hinge up and down, but this is entirely scratch built out of various aluminum and plastic tubes, some sheet stock, and some other bits and pieces. And I really have to thank Mike from the Visitor Fleet for his help with not only the overall guide, but he provided me with some measurements, and his 24th scale Jeep that he built. He sent me a lot of pictures, a lot of measurements, and without what he sent me, I would not have been able to get it even this close. I did vary in a couple of places from his work, just based on the materials that I had available to me, and my familiarity with what I was doing. Because he is part of that group, he's got a lot sharper knowledge of what things should look like. But overall, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. Swivel it around here, and you can see the back of the little scope here, as well as the sight. And it does actually have a hollow tip to the barrel, because that's made out of aluminum tubing. So, yeah, overall, pretty happy with how this one turned out as well. The decals here are custom made that I printed out from Illustrator drawings. And that's just about it. So a lot of the last few days were going into that laser gun on top, and I'm very happy to now call this one finished as well. So I still have the Miami Vice Ferrari of Daytona that I'm trying to wrap up before year's end. And I've also got a couple of other little projects that I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to get a chance to finish or not, but if I do, I'll post those as well. So check back soon for that last update to the Daytona and whatever else I can get done. Thanks for watching.